started admitting, madam. 5th to 9th varaku
Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher. Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Mari.
అది స్లో వచ్చింది కూర్చో
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is my voice audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm going to start screen sharing, children. Yesterday, I went with the topic rhyming words. So, now again, you'll be seeing on the screen about the rhyming words only. Like yesterday, I told you, rhyming words are nothing but the starting sound of the word will be different. See, children, here it is. Very soon you'll be seeing on the screen. And rhyming words are nothing but the starting sound of the word is different, and when the word is ending, it will match with the other word. For example, late, L-A-T-E, late, D-A-T-E, date. Last sound will be same, children. To listen, the last pronunciation will be same. Okay. S-I-N-G, sing. K-I-N-G, king. S-T-A-R, star. B-A-R, bar. See here. Oh. Okay, children. What you are seeing on the screen? What is that? Can anybody say me what is that? That is a cake. Yes, very good. That is a cake. When do you eat cake, children? You eat cake when you go to somebody's birthday parties, right? Yes. So today we are going to celebrate Mihir's birthday party. This is the cake for Mihir's birthday. Okay, children. This is the cake for Mihir's birthday party. He is celebrating his birthday. Okay. So now see here. This is one more cake, especially for you children. Because one cake is not sufficient when so many children are there in the class. So this cake is for you. And now I'm going to start Mihir's birthday party. Come on. Note down the date, children. Already you have written the date. And now you have to write this one. Mihir's birthday party. Just note down only the heading. Read the story below about a special birthday party. So, Mihir's birthday party, I'm going to read now. The story of Mihir's birthday party. I'll be reading. You just listen to me, children, everyone. Just note down Mihir's birthday party. Okay, now everyone please be seated, quiet. And now I am reading. Please do follow Brinda. Mihir is going to celebrate his 6th birthday after 3 days. He is very excited and can't wait for the special day to arrive. He really wants a huge party in the garden with all his friends, clowns, and a magic show. But Mihir's birthday this year is going to be different. His parents and grandparents have told him that if he doesn't ask for a big party, they can save money. And with that money, they can buy special gifts not only for him, but also for a few street children. Mihir wants a nice party, but he thinks about special gifts for himself and the street children. And he does not ask for a big birthday party. So, after thinking a lot, they finally get the idea of having a big party without spending too much money. They ask each of Mihir's friends to bring something. Vicky is going to bring some sandwiches. Sachin is getting cold drinks. Nisha a cake, and Sia is getting pancakes. This way, Mihir will have a big cheap party and they can give the food to the street children. Yes, excuse me, children. Tanvi is having some doubt. Let us ask her. One minute, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi, you can ask your doubt, please. You don't have any doubt? Okay. So, see how Mihir is going to celebrate the birthday party. Children, are you audible? Am I audible to you all? Is my voice reaching to you, everyone? Is it clear? Okay. See here. Mihir is going to celebrate his 6th birthday after 3 days. If one of you is going to celebrate, then your birthday, will you be very happy, children? Yes or no? Yes, you will be very happy. So in the same way, Mihir is also very happy with his birthday which is going to arrive after 3 days. But he want a big party. He told to his parents, he requested his parents that, my dear parents, I want a big party to celebrate my birthday with my friends. But his parents told that this time we are going to celebrate your birthday in a different way. If you don't spend much money on your birthday, the same money we can spend with the children, those who are the street children, those who can't spend every day the time to enjoy, and also we can give them some eatables to fill their tummies. And when they are happy, you will be happy in your life. So when Mihir's parents make him understand in this way, Mihir also felt very happy that I am able to help to someone. When God gave me such opportunity, I should not lose this opportunity. So he wants to celebrate his birthday as the same way his parents wants. Children, are you understanding? Everyone? Shragvi? Everyone, are you understanding, children? Am I going very fast? You are understanding, no? Siddharth, are you understanding? Okay. Ashrita is also understanding. Akshara is understanding. Okay. Suryansh, Sudhansh, everyone is understanding, no? Okay, fine. So, when his parents gave this very good suggestion to Mihir, Mihir also felt very happy to celebrate his birthday with other street children. How they started planning for a birthday party of Mihir in this way. See, Mihir's friends' names are Vicky, Sachin, Nisha, Sia. Sia. So, when everyone are attending the party, they have divided that each friend is going to get one item to make the party as a grand success. Like Vicky brought few sandwiches, Sachin brought cold drinks, Nisha brought cake, and Sia brought few pancakes. In this way, many eatable items got collected for the birthday party. Not only Mihir's friends was celebrating this party, but they have invited few other street children also to celebrate Mihir's birthday party. So children, you also, I suggest you, according to my opinion, I suggest you all that you should also, on some special occasions like your birthdays, should help someone who are in need. Okay? Instead of spending money on just simply for enjoying things and wasting that, you have to spend money on those people who are in need of that a lot. Okay, children, understood now everybody? Now I am going to stop this. Suryansh, what happened? Huh? You have to show interest. After these many days also you are not showing interest? Hmm? Come on, take your book and start writing. Now I'll write few sentences, sorry, few rhyming words on whiteboard, children. You have to copy in your notebooks. Okay? Come on. Yes, children, come on. Start writing. Start writing, children. With neat handwriting. Note down the date also. Okay, children. Now I am writing. See here. Start writing. Yes, write down, children. Your writing should be neat. Write very, very neat. See here, children. Last sound like this will be same. Only the sound of first letter will be different. These type of words are called rhyming words. It's very easy to understand. Second class. Okay, children. In this way, today I will give you again one more worksheet of grade 2, on rhyming words. And now I'm going to end this session. Again, we'll meet in EVS period. Okay, children, don't worry. I'll give you again worksheet. If you have not completed, I'll share with you. Okay, now go and attend your maths class, children. Bye, everyone.